Well, now let's get a look of the forecast because, as we said, changes on the way. Robert joins us again here in the studio. Fantastic weekend so far, but we understand that won't be the case tomorrow for those heading to work or school, Robert.
Unfortunately, it won't be. It'll be a wet morning for your Monday to head back to work, unfortunately. That's what we kind of want to start out here with our focus. And we are looking at a miserable Monday with on and off rain. It could be heavy at times. It looks like a total washout, unfortunately. Then, to make matters worse, we'll have a pretty strong cold front come through by midweek. That'll give us well below average temperatures Thursday and Friday, and the very outside chance at a couple of flakes in eastern parts of the viewing area. Live look out to Fayetteville right now. You can see cameras shaking just a little bit from those winds, but it's still nice no matter where you look in Fayetteville and Springdale, as well as atop our tower in Fort Smith. So if you have evening plans, no problems. It's once you get into bed, that's when the rain will start falling. Still mostly in the lower 70s here, a couple of upper 60s starting to creep into the picture in northwest Arkansas, but Garfield's still at 76. 80 now in Hackett, Picola, Spiro, Bocoshi, everybody creeping into the 80s, as is LaFleur, probably topping out temperatures. They'll start to head the other direction here as the sun begins to set over the next hour or so. Increasing clouds for the rest of the night. Then right around midnight, we start to see that precipitation right on our doorstep in association with a front that's going to try to cross the area. By Monday morning, you can see the possibility at some pretty good rains rolling in here. There could be a couple of rumbles of thunder. This front is going to kind of stall, and as it does so, impulses will ride along it, bringing us more and more rain as we go through the day. This is 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. More scattered showers for northwest Arkansas, but heavier precipitation for the River Valley. That shifts back to the north Monday night. Then it sags back to the south on Tuesday morning. But by the time many of you are headed to work on Tuesday, it looks like most of the rain should be off to the east, leaving most of the area with just a couple of sprinkles left over. General thunderstorms for about 90% of the area. You've got to get into Scott, Polk, and LaFleur County to worry about 1 or 2 isolated severe storms. Further to the south, another severe weather outbreak is possible across the deep south. Still looking at a ½ to maybe 1.5 inches of rain, and they need it back across the west, where you can see some severe drought conditions are unfolding, but we are not in anything, which is certainly good news. Lows tonight will mostly be in the 50s. Temperatures will be held in check tomorrow because of the clouds and the rain. And where that front is, much cooler in northwest Arkansas than in the River Valley, lower to upper 60s. But for the rest of the week, it doesn't look that bad. You see that cold front roll through here Wednesday. Temperatures struggling to get into the 50s Thursday and Friday. Friday morning, there could be a couple of snowflakes. Eastern Carroll County, the higher elevations of Madison County. River Valley, about the same thing, minus the snow chances, of course, but still highs in the 50s on Friday. Stay with us. We'll check the world of sports with Jordan Black after the break.